Tip 1 is the rule of thirds, which is your composition starting point. Well, it's mine anyway, so it might as well be yours, eh? Yep, the rule of thirds, it's your fundamental composition guide. I talk about this quite a lot, so if you're a regular listener, forgive me, but this is so important, I'm happy to say it all over again. Imagine your frame divided into 9 equal boxes by 2 horizontal and 2 vertical lines. Instead of placing your main subject dead center, try placing it where these lines intersect, or along one of the lines. This creates more visual interest and balance, and for landscapes, placing the horizon on the top or bottom third, not in the middle, it makes a massive, massive difference. It makes for a much more dynamic, much more pleasing image. It's a great starting point, it's easy to use, and it instantly improves your photos. The rule of thirds is such a powerful rule. And the other thing that you can do is place things on the intersections where the lines meet. Those are points of interest, which are they're visually appealing to the human eye. So rule of thirds, if you use one rule and one rule only, use that one. I use it all the time.